Prepare for a mouth-watering illusion. Our pineapple-themed cake looks so authentic, you might mistake it for a freshly picked fruit. The incredible details in proportions, colors, and texture showcase the unparalleled artistry of our talented cake decorators. Before we even cut into this masterpiece, let's marvel at the leaves, crafted from edible wafer papers. They add an extra layer of elegance to this delectable creation. Now, let's dive into the layers. Unveiling tiers of chocolate sponge that not only look divine, but taste absolutely delightful. Each slice is a celebration of flavor and artistry, bringing joy to every bite. At House of Cakes Bakery Dubai, we've been perfecting these culinary marvels for years. It's not just a cake, it's an edible work of art. Picture having your custom masterpiece for your special moments. Order from House of Cakes, where dreams become delectable reality.